this is it. This is going to be the best truck of Budget Truck Week. I am bound and determined to find something that's better than the tank that Nate picked out. You saw it on the channel a couple days ago. I'm just hoping that one of my picks, one of my other 6 picks beats his. I have put all my eggs in this basket.
No, you have more. That doesn't work. That saying does not apply here. You have more
there's
backups.
There's a couple others that could be the best, but I'm hoping this 4th truck of Budget Truck Week is the one that finally puts the tank aside. It's 4-wheel drive, it has a brush motor in its 12th scale, and I'm just excited to drive it. I love the graphics of this. It looks really cool. The whole desert buggy with the netting on the side. You know, it's plastic, but that's what it's supposed to be.
Now,
let's take a look on the inside.
There's a really interesting thing about the setup here. The fact that you took the canopy off really shows me that you'll find this interesting too. So I have a little challenge for you. I'd like you to install the battery. Challenge. Because it's a very different setup. So it's on the bottom. I'll give you a big pro tip there.
Okay.
And I've never seen one like this. Yeah, you figured it out quickly. So that was really cool. It's like a little pinching mechanism that you pull the battery panel off like that. I've never seen that set up before.
Okay.
There you go. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
That's a nice system.
And you can fit a bigger battery in here too.
Yeah, and then they actually have
the
body reinforced with a cage in there. We don't see that on these budget trucks that are under $100 very often, if ever. I'm not sure if we've ever seen that. So kudos to Wltoys. I'm pretty excited to see this running. It's got a Dean's plug, a nice big hefty brushed motor with a heat sink on there. And yeah, this is a big one for under 100 bucks, being 12th scale. It's almost a 10th scale vehicle. As Abby gets this all powered on.
Just a basic transmitter.
Yeah.
On off. There's modes that probably won't do anything, and then steering and throttle trim.
Let's drive. I will say the size of this is good, and I love how bright yellow and blue that is. I mean, we've never seen anything quite like that before. That's not full throttle, is it?
No.
Oh, okay. It's supposed to be pretty fast. Oh, nice. It's got some get up and go. That's pretty fast. Oh, nice save. Nice save. Oh, sun glare, sun glare. Let's see if it can pop a wheelie while you still have a full charge here. Yeah, it can. Wow. What?
Well, it's going uphill.
Yeah, just a hair. So, it kind of can. Well, on the included battery, it kind of can pop a wheelie, but not really. So the wheelie bar is kind of not. Look, get out of the mud, get out of the mud. This thing is fast. Yeah, I think I got the whole thing on camera too. Well, I think the true test, Abby, at this point is going to see, can it make it up the hill and how much of a struggle is it? But as a basher, this thing is really cool. Wow. Yeah. That's some solid performance there. You ready to take on the hill?
Yep.
You're being awfully quiet.
I'm enjoying it.
Okay. Well, I think the size of it helps a lot.
All right.
Yeah, you pretty much conquered the hill really fast. Hey, I'm happy with this. Oh! I think what happened was this giant stick got caught under it. I think you got clipped on that. Crazy sun glare. Nice. 2 for 2. Okay, it's you can't go down the hill. Oh. Hey, you ought to see this sun glare off the water, making you look awesome. Oh, in the water.
Just a tire.
Yeah. Remember what happened to your last vehicle you took in the water?
Yeah, I know.
Fried it. Did you just fry it? No way.
Which is on the bottom. It has to be.
No.
There's no way.
Abby is killing these RCs with water. You just killed another RC,
You're
girl.
kidding me.
When they don't say waterproof, you can't go through the water. This is what happens. That would have been the winner. Now my tank is waterproof. It handled the water just fine.
There's no way.
Yeah. Yeah. You're done. You killed it.
You gotta be kidding me.
That is so sad. What we'll do, guys, is let this air dry out. And yeah, this was a strong contender. But we will let this air dry out. We'll take a hair dryer to it. Abby will take a hair dryer to it and try to save it.
We are back. It's because I got this working again. I took it home, set it upside down, let it air dry for 3-4 hours. Still didn't work, so then I took the hair dryer to it on high for about 5 minutes. Then it worked. So let's continue the review and not hit any more puddles with a non-waterproof truck, because 2 for 2 with vehicles for me is terrible, and I was pretty embarrassed yesterday. Let's drive.
Guys, give Abby some love in the comments below, because she was beating herself up real bad on the drive home after hitting that puddle. And I said, let's, don't write it off yet. You know what to do. She took it upon herself to do that when she got home. Saved the truck. At the very least, leave a like, but give her some love in the comments below. Awesome job, Abby. I'm proud of you.
Thanks.
Up here at the...
Yeah, we're at the track today, even though this is not meant to race around the track at all.
Good way to test the range and drivability of it, though.
My steering trim is really bad right now.
Yeah? You got it all trimmed up, right?
Yes.
Good.
Yeah, I was just super bummed about this because I really liked it in the 1 minute I got to drive it.
Well, you drove it a little longer than that, I mean, you just got excited. When we like a ground vehicle, we take them through the water. And I probably looked at the box and stuff more than you, and I knew that this wasn't waterproof, and you didn't know that. Oh, now you do get to flip that over. Yeah, it's performing really well. I think people are probably wanting to know, now that we fixed it and everything, how do we compare it to my tank, which is in a strong first place. Remember, you still have more options. You got more contenders.
I like it better than the tank, because this is like a basher.
Well, the tank is a basher too.
This is a better basher.
Yeah, you are able to pick up some speed even through that really tall grass. It's pretty impressive. Now that it's still in one piece, can I drive it for a minute? Yes. After your donuts. Okay.
I just wanted to test it out just for a little while because...
Make sure it works.
Yeah, and I just wanted to make sure the ESC wasn't going to start overheating or something.
We got lucky. So the reason it's not completely fried, I think, is because you splashed water in there. You didn't totally submerge it. And if you would have ignored that, it may not have ever powered on again. But you quickly dried that water up, and look at you go. Nice, bright little vehicle.
Here you go. You let me drive yours, so I will let you drive mine.
And this seems to be your leading option right now.
Yes.
Right? You still got like 3 more in Budget Truck Week though to test. Now one of them I'm pretty sure I know what the outcome is, but hey, I'll give you, this is nice.
I know.
Dirt here, this is actually really awesome.
I think this beats your tank hands down.
Maybe just depends what you're looking for in a vehicle. You know, if you want a fast basher, this isn't bad. If you want a crawler that's unique and is still kind of a basher, then go for the tank. And as of right now, we still have more stuff to do in Budget Truck Week, and I'm just proud of you for saving this and not letting it bite the bullet. Yeah, really awesome, Abby. Good job.
The memory card on the camera filled up, and I forgot to grab extra cards today, and there's nothing on there I can delete right now. So we're finishing the video on the phone. Overall, I'm super happy with this.
It's pretty awesome.
I'm so glad I did not destroy it, and guys, that was completely my fault. I knew better, but I just couldn't help myself. The pedals look so much fun. So if you want to take this through water, you'll have to waterproof it before you do it.
I don't think you can waterproof this one, unless you swap out all the electronics.
Water or a balloon or something.
Maybe.
I like it.
Well, I'm proud of you for fixing it. Very proud.
A hair dryer.
Yeah,
That was
you
such
did good.
a hard fix.
You did good. And you took the initiative and you fixed it. And I still like my tank more than this, to be brutally honest. But this is a close second place.
No, it's first.
That does not mean Truck Week is over though, guys. We want to hear from you in the comments below. Do you like this or the tank more? Or are you still looking forward to some more that we featured at the beginning of our crazy unboxing? All right, guys. All the good stuff linked in the description box below. And if you want to support our channel and you like anything you see, then pick it up through our link. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.